County. Lane 3, Allie Snover.
Okay, this is the C final for the women's 50 freestyle, a very exciting race. One is Katie Kicklighter from Central Florida Metro. Lane 2, Savannah Townsend from Door County Y. Lane 3, Allie Snover from Middle Tiger. Lane 4, Phoebe Turner from West Family Y in Boise City. Lane 5, that's Lauren Heller from Cuyahoga Falls. Lane 6, Ingrid Shue from Lakeland Hills, only 13. Lane 7, Erin Polich from Northwest North Carolina. Lane 8, Morgan Contino from the ME Lions. Lane 9, Alexandra Marshall from Northwest North Carolina. And down in lane 10, Sadie Rhodes from Hannibal Y. Don't blink or you miss the ladies 50 free, up and back. This is the C final. Nice streamline. Lane 2 with a nice lead, Savannah Townsend. No, excuse me, lane 3, Allie Snover from Middle Tiger. Tight bunch, Allie Snover, lane 3. Sadie Rhodes, lane 10. Who's it gonna be? Alexandra Marshall, lane 9, 23.7. She drops a good 3.5 tenths to beat the field in this C final. Second place goes to Morgan Contino, and third, Sadie Rhodes, 23.8.